Hello viewers, this is Rabbi here. Now I'm going to show you how to put a USB disk drive with Linux operating system. So first of all we have to know what the Linux. Linux is an operating system, but Linux is not ordinarily uh, the single system. It has many distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, suse, etc. Every single thing has its distributions. Like Ubuntu has 14.10, Ubuntu has 14.04 LTE. LTE means long term evolution. So whatever, the basic thing in Linux that if we put a single disk drive, we can put many PCs, computers, laptops, notebook, etc. So in this system, we show how to boot a device, and I'm using the Ubuntu 14.10 Utopic Unicorn operating system to boot this disk. And remember, you can boot any kind of disk in any kind of environment if it's Linux. In Ubuntu 14.10, you can boot 14.04, 14.10, Linux Mint, suse. In Linux Mint, you can boot for Ubuntu, you can boot for Fedora, whatever. If your system is running on the Linux system, it's up to you. You can choose, you can operate. So now we're showing how to make it. Let's go to the Google and search for Ubuntu. Um, Writing Ubuntu download. Okay, with the automatic search is showing us. So we are going to the first icon, download Ubuntu, www.ubuntu.com/downloads. Okay, download Ubuntu desktop. Here we will download the file after clicking download button, and we must have to download the ISO file, and we can download the ISO file from here. Here is two type of distribution of Linux, Ubuntu, 32-bit, 64-bit. 32-bit of for which machine contains 2 gigabytes of RAM or less than that, and 64-bit is for more than 2 gigabytes of RAM. So my machine is 4 gigs of RAM, so I'm downloading the 64-bit format. You can download from the torrent or server. If you are a broadband user, you can download it very fast. Such as example in Bangladesh, Miro is the download server for downloading the distribution. Here is Ubuntu 14.10, the latest distribution of Linux and Ubuntu. So it has also two versions, 32 and 64, and Ubuntu 14.04 is long time evolution. And here you will get 5 years security system, many more opportunities, and for Ubuntu 14.10 we will get 9 months of security system. So whatever, within 9 months the Ubuntu 15.04 is coming to us with its long-time support. So don't worry, download and put your device, enjoy the Linux. Okay, fine. Now we're going to download the 14.10 distribution, the latest distribution, Utopic Unicorn of Ubuntu. Okay, so I have already now I'm clicking download the file, downloading the file. So I've already downloaded the file. This is my desktop. Okay, so I will show now how to put your disk drive. So search bar, go to the search bar and type system, startup disk creator, START. Okay, we found the system startup disk creator. Okay, double click on the icon, and the startup disk creator is starting. Okay, there is two gap. Startup make bootable, yeah, startup disk. Here is for disk image. You must have to choose the ISO file. This is for the storage. Okay, uh, there we have to fulfill the two blank gaps to put our device. So this is my portable device. I just entered my pen drive, USB disk drive into my system, and it's automatically shown. It's 3.2 gigs of used capacity of 7 point something gigabytes. So whatever, it's now we have to choose the ISO file. So by clicking other, I have to click other. I'm clicking on the other. Okay, and I have already downloaded the distribution 14.04, 14.10. So now I'm booting with 14.10. I'm click on the icon and it must have to be ISO and click on open. It's opened, and before booting we must have to erase the disk. I'm click on the erase and yes, click on yes. Is erasing. System password is required. I'm giving my password to erase the disk. So wait for a while. I'm giving the password. Okay, the password is given. The disk drive is erasing. You can also see formatting. Okay, it's formatted and it's totally blank drive and device. So now it started to boot. Okay, start. Click on like. Okay, it started to boot. It's copying file. It may take several minutes. So have a wait. And by this time, I'm showing you some beautiful things of Linux and Ubuntu. So this is Ubuntu desktop. We have downloaded. We can show the another thing. Ubuntu has minimal distribution for your server use, for your tablet use, for your mobile use. The mobile must have to be the smartphone configuration. Okay, download Ubuntu server. It has also two versions. It's showing is Ubuntu server 14.04, Ubuntu server 14.10. So whatever you choose, it's up to you. Okay. Next, let's check some beautiful things, overviews, tablets, phones. So whatever it's, you can search, you can gather more knowledge by browsing the site about Ubuntu, and not only for that, but also for the Linux. And we are taking on Meet Ubuntu. Whatever, I'm coming this system after a while. It's copying the files you're seeing. This is my disk is being putting through the system process. So it's creating a persistence file. Okay, it has already copied the file into the pen drive, and the system is putting. So here's the best platform Ubuntu for developers. Okay, one more thing to show you. You'll just see the Eclipse development. There is 18.7%. What a blast! Where it's awesome. Every distribution it is categorized preferred development platform for the developers, programmers. So Ubuntu is the best thing to use, I think, and I'm using that. So then you can customize it. Just see, this is a Mac icon and looking like an Apple. Everyone got confused. This is Mac or not? Believe it. This is a Linux Ubuntu 14.04 YouTube unicorn, but not a Mac. Okay, it's creating a persistence file. We're almost completed the system, and just give me a few seconds to complete. The system is completing. Okay, buddies. So we are going again to the browser. Got a thing for Ubuntu. There's many of things: Ubuntu Cloud, download, smartphone, so many of systems. Okay. 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 Installation complete. Now get fun and have fun. You can use this stick, this USB drive, as a bootable drive. Put your PC, laptop, desktop, and everything, and enjoy Ubuntu, enjoy Linux. Thank you for watching my video. And the pen drive, my disk drive has already booted. It's already booted. UFI, WBI, every kind of file is it's containing. So be sure the system is working. and it will work in every single distribution of Ubuntu, every single distribution of Linux. So thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting more videos. Thank you everyone. Hi, goodbye. This is Rabbi.